Welcome to Timber New. My name is Clint, and today I'm going to be showing you my brother's greenhouse build. I hope you enjoy it. We prefabricated the 3 panels on the ground outside just to make it easier for construction when we want to put them up. They're almost entirely made from recycled materials, so as you can see the panelling on the bottom is made from pallet wood. All the posts are made from recycled wood from a building site or just from previous projects that we didn't need anymore. As we put the 3 panels up, we bolted them together. We already pre-painted them, so we weren't worried about that, although we did paint the insides afterwards with a outdoor shed or fence stain. It was pretty inexpensive stuff. After they were bolted together, we then screwed them into our existing shed. This made construction a lot easier, just basically because we had the structural integrity from the shed to build from. So lots of braces and things weren't needed as we were putting it up. When we made the trusses, we just made them with a lap joint, figured out the angle just by holding the beams up to the roof, so we got exactly what we wanted. They're secured just with nuts and bolts. Decided to grind off the bolts, firstly because we thought they might get in the way of installing the panes of plastic on the roof, and also just because it's a bit more pleasing to see them cut down. Keeping a few one-hole truss back as a template before constructing it was really helpful, because then we could just use that as a template and duplicate all the trusses we need. Then we went on to stain them before we put them onto the roof. Putting the trusses on one by one was the easiest thing to do, really. At this point, we just got them in line, put a couple of screws through the top down into the frame, and just moved along at the gaps we knew we'd have to move along to. Each gap is equivalent to one polycarbonate sheet, which is 2 foot wide by 4 foot long.
Okay, next.
Thank you for watching part 1 of the greenhouse build. Please stay tuned for part 2, and if you like what you see, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.